Hi, this is how you import from Commons. Specifically, I'm showing you how to import the assignment for Monday of Thanksgiving week that was put together for you. That's the day that 7th and 8th grade is doing their conferences. So you will go to Commons. It's called True Color Personality Test. This is the picture that I used. When you click on it, you'll be able on the right-hand side to say Import Download. I believe 7th and 8th grade is putting this into period 2. And you import it into your course. Then when you go to that course, into your assignments, for me it came in as bell work. Earlier when I did this, it came in down at the very bottom as an imported assignment. So not sure where it will come in for you. But when you edit this, and you will need to edit this, you're going to say this top part should be fine. But you can edit the points and the group for whatever you need it to be for your class. This is a text entry assignment, so don't mess with that. And then if you are using this as a tool for attendance, this would just be open for the 23rd. And I am using this as a bell work, and I am using it as a tool for attendance. It's not the only way we take attendance, but I am using it for that to help check off kids because we won't be seeing kids in live sessions for 7th and 8th grade. So I'm just leaving it open for that 24-hour period. Then you can save this, or you can choose to save and publish this and publish it later for the 23rd. You can also, in student view, check this out, or you can just check it out up here as well because you don't have to open any external tool for this. Let me know if you have questions.